Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be exploring how to use Video Copilot Saber plugin with a transparent background. Let's jump right in. Start a new composition and add your text to a new text layer. Next, add a new solid layer and add the Saber plugin to that newly created solid layer. Under Customize Core, change the core type to text layer, and then from the text layer drop down select your text layer. Align the text layer and make any preset changes you would like. Also, don't forget to turn off visibility of the text layer itself. By adding an image or video, you will notice that it doesn't show up. What happened? You can fix this by making the solid layer transparent. Select the solid layer and go to Render Settings and change it from black to transparent. Bam! From here you can go back and adjust the background image size, or the text size and alignment as needed, and then export your video. If you were wanting to use this transparent title in Premiere Pro, you will need to make these changes before importing it into Premiere. In the render queue, click on High Quality and under Channels select RGB plus Alpha. If it is grayed out, click on the Format options and select Animation. You should now see RGB plus Alpha as an option to select. Render your file and import it into Premiere Pro. And there you have it! You successfully added the Saber effect with a transparent background. Now you can render your composition and use it in any project. You can also experiment with different blending modes or layering multiple Saber effects to create even more complex and impressive visuals. So, that's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.